6 people now charged in connection to a brutal attack in Mason, including a 16-year-old girl.
Yeah, and tonight only WLWT has video of that assault that took place at the intersection of Innovation Way and 71 Saturday afternoon. WLWT News 9's Karen Johnson live for us in Mason tonight, where 3 of the suspects were in court today. Hi, Karen.
Yeah, hey, Sharia, I want to start with the victim in this case. He is an adult, and today in court, the prosecutor said he suffered significant injuries after multiple people attacked him, at least 2 people, using baseball bats.
A man on the ground in this video while 2 people can be seen beating him repeatedly with baseball bats. The group doesn't seem fazed by the Saturday afternoon traffic.
There is 6 or 7 people beating the heck out of a guy down on Innovation Way. He's bleeding and he can't speak.
After the attack, the group crosses the road. They hop in multiple cars and take off. Today, 3 of the 6 suspects, Derek Floyd, Brittany Matthews, and Tiffany Parks, appeared in court. Floyd and Matthews are charged with felonious assault.
She understands the serious nature of the allegations, but I think her involvement was less than the other individuals.
This is a very violent situation. Ms. Matthews was one of 6 individuals that exited a vehicle, actually had come all the way from Colerain Township up here to Mason.
Meanwhile, Parks faces a complicity charge.
Which to me means is that the detective does not believe that she struck a blow.
Her attorney said Parks and the victim had been in a relationship, and she only began following him because he stole her keys.
And was not aware that there were this other car full of people that I believe were the ones that were physical in the assault.
Prosecutors said she did play a role in the assault.
I'd also like to point out that one of the co-defendants is her daughter, who is a juvenile, has been charged in juvenile court with the same felonious assault and was a very active participant in this assault.
And both women had their bond lowered to $150,000 today. Floyd's bond remains at $250,000. Prosecutors say he is one of the 2 suspects who had a baseball bat. All 3 suspects did waive their right to a preliminary hearing today, meaning it goes directly to a Warren County grand jury, and warrants have been issued for the other 2. Reporting live in Mason tonight, Karen Johnson, WLWT News 5.